I'm ready to make it official. Who am I?
Wow. 감사합니다. This is my POV.
I'm Dmitry Redwolf, an entrepreneur, creator, soon to be a husband, and a digital nomad in progress. Welcome to my POV, starting digital nomad journey to Seoul. Who am I? As I told you just a second ago, soon I'm moving to South Korea. When I'm saying soon, that's in 2026. Right now, today is September 20th when I'm recording this, and for the past 9 months I've been working my hardest to get this journey started. But let's start with basics. Right now, I'm in Russia. My nationality is Russian. It's a bit difficult here right now. I run my own business, I have a soon-to-be wife, 5 cats, 3 at home, and a plan to move to a beautiful city of Seoul. Additionally, I have 2 YouTube channels. One is the gaming channel, The Gaming Brilliant. The second channel is where you see me right now, Redwolf Production. And that's the only place I'll be posting my journey, all the details, all the steps, all the requirements. You'll see them all in this series. So, why Seoul? Why South Korea? Pretty simple. This city and this country doesn't feel like a foreign country for me. It feels like home. It feels very welcoming. The energy, the culture, people, all culminates into one simple word: home. It really aligns with who I am, where I'm going, and what I want to do. And now I'm ready to make it official, to move to Seoul, continue my life, and not start from the 0 point. And that's where my series begins. Here's where I'm starting right now. I have everything noted here. Current income, January to September, is $44,000. My target annual income for the requirements of digital nomad visa in South Korea is $66,000 per month. Wow. Annually. I need roughly $21,699 in the next 4 months. Right now is the mid of September. I have better numbers right now, but I will show them in the next video. But for now, to get the digital nomad visa and to pull this off, well, here are the milestones I need to hit before I move. I put them all in this note and let's check them off already together. First of all, I need to be 18 or older. So let's check that off. I have that. Worked in the same industry for at least 1 year. I have that ready. Must be able to work remotely for a company abroad or be a self-employed business owner whose clients are outside of South Korea, which I have both. I work remotely. I have a self-employed contract, with myself and with the government where I live right now. And I also have clients which are outside of South Korea, and I additionally have all the contracts which prove that I've worked with them for more than a year. Annual income of more than twice the gross national income, aka GNI, per capita for South Korea, which is 85 million Korean won, and that equals to roughly $66,000 per year. This is in the works, as I already told you how much I have. Private health insurance with coverage of at least 100 million Korean won. This is in progress. I have one company that is ready to work with me on that. And it costs around $500 per person, so that would be me and my wife. And one of the last things is a clean criminal record. I don't have any bad criminal record, thus I just need to prepare this and go to the government institution to get it printed and signed so that I can send it to the application when I'll be applying for the digital nomad visa. And some challenges that I'm facing right now are as following. Earning the remainder. So basically, the money that I, still need to earn are in question. They probably will be earnable because in the past 3 months I have earned 20,000 and I have now 4 months, which is huge. And every month I plan to even get bigger, grow more, and have more clients. But still, this is one of the challenges that I'm facing right now. The next one is language barrier. I would say, even though I've been in Korea and people are speaking English pretty comfortably there, Korean is still very important for me. That's why I have bought Korean alphabet, and here I will be basically learning, first of all, the alphabet. Secondly, I will be hiring a teacher who will actually teach me how to speak
Korean properly, not just 감사합니다 or the last, I would say, two things that I've put together, but it's still a very important part, is the adjusting to the life rhythm, because in South Korea and Seoul it's going to be way different to where I live right now. Because, like, you know, as I said, I live in Russia, but I don't really go out that often here, and we don't have so much things to do here. But in Seoul, there's, you know, pop-ups, there are people, there's different cultural exhibitions, there's different cultural events, and some just events. You can, you know, visit it anywhere at any time, and it's something that I very value, and one of the things that why I'm moving there, because you can actually do something except working, home chores, watching movies, even though that's amazing, and I'm so thankful that I have that. But I would like to expand my, you know, life activities in a day, other than just work most of the time, doing home stuff and going to coffee shop on the first floor. Worst cost of moving, you know, this is one of the most important things. I have myself, I have my wife, I have 5 cats, even though I have 3 cats, so it's already, you know, it's a challenge. What am I actually missing right now, and what I definitely have? I have clear contracts with clients, I have my plan of work-life balance, and weekly set goals, which is important in my opinion. I have a rental agent, I have researched and chosen neighborhood in which I want to live in Seoul. I visited Seoul twice, so it's not an unknown place for me, and it feels like home, which is important. My personal relationships and life setup, I have that down right now. And also stable income, which is extremely important, and that's where I'm right now. It's not in Seoul, but it's in progress. I have the map, I have the tools, I have the need, and it's just a matter of time where I get it. And these series are here to show you my POV, my journey, and these series will end as soon as I move to Seoul. So I hope you'll enjoy this. If you have not subscribed to the channel and you see this video for the first time, please subscribe, and I hope I'll be able to give you a very entertaining journey, very useful journey, and maybe some of you who are planning to move to South Korea or to any other country where they, you know, do digital nomad visa, it will help you. Hit subscribe, leave a comment. If you're a digital nomad yourself, let's create a community. Write down your name of Telegram or something, and maybe in the future we'll create a small or big community where we will all share our journeys. I'm Dmitry Redwolf. And this is my POV, my digital nomad journey to Seoul. See you in 2 weeks with new progress, but for now, show you how I fill out my monthly and weekly work with my notebook. Perhaps it will help you set some goals for yourself. And by the way, this started on 17th of April. Today is September 20th. So, as you can see, it's not a small plan.
And hi, welcome to this section of the video where I will actually do and make my plan for this upcoming week. This week in my planning is 79th week. What I use in my preparation every Monday is a notebook, computer, a pen, a stamp. You'll see why I'm using this. And basically that's all I need for my preparation. I waited for this moment, you know. I bought myself a new notebook, and I'll just show you how it looks when I just unpack it, you know, when it's fresh, new. And this is probably gonna be used until week 100. That's where, I don't know what I will do, but like for some reason it's very significant, because, you know, it's 100 days of planning, and for me it is very important. Yeah, and basically here I have, you can see on the screen right now, 79th week, and here I have all the days from Monday to Friday. I do work on Saturdays, but usually this is my work week.
starting with the plan, that's basically what I do right now and I show you, and starting with next company, Noisy Peak, ML Group, Redwolf Corp, web development projects, Result Construction, video production, TJB, that's the Gaming Brilliant channel, and also I have time wasted because this is a very important thing also to track. So let's start with what I usually write. I write 79th week. I do this like a space, and I start with my first thing. So I have Noisy Peak, and here I write what I need to do. First of all, what I need to do is that I need to find out a new chat bot for website, and I always put like the square, so once this thing is completed I can just put the tick here. As you can see, if I just compare it to this, yeah, so here I did this, and I highlighted as well with everything. So give me time, I'll fill this out and I'll get back to you. And the plan is ready. The plan is fully complete for this 79th week. So just to show you how it all looks at the very end, this is a pretty big, you know, plan for this upcoming week. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in total things that I need to do. It took me 15 minutes this Monday. So now I go back to my notes, and on the plan section I just write 15 minutes, and that's it. That's all how it looks, that's how it works. And yeah, for today's episode, this is all what I wanted to show you. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. This journey is just beginning, especially for you who's watching. For me, this journey is going, as you can see here, for the past 79 weeks. This is the new 79th week, and I am so grateful to actually finally put my effort into this and show you my work and my journey. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. To show you the last important thing. So, of course, when you have work, you also have life. You need to have life-work balance. And for this week is get married to the life of my life. You know, this is very important. This is a very life-changing thing and chapter. And also, when I'm done, why do I have a stamp? First of all, this is a Korean stamp. It has my name on it. It says, like, not Dmitry, but Dima. That's my shorter name, and I just, you know, put the stamp here. So it's, you know, fully red. And this stamp tells me that this week is planned and it is ready to be unleashed. Bam! And here's my signature. I fully understand that this is going to be different when I move to Seoul and South Korea, and I'll have like actually official one. But for now, this feels very, you know, official and very authentic. Thank you.